How to find downloaded videos on YouTube on PC. Welcome back to the channel, and let's begin with this tutorial. Starting off, open up your YouTube account. Now make sure that you are logged in. Now select the video that you want to download, then tap on the download option at the bottom. Select your download quality, then tap on the download option. Wait until the video is completely downloaded. Now once your video is downloaded, you can tap on the three-line icon which will be in your top left corner. From here, select the option of downloads. In here, you will find your downloaded video. To check if the video plays offline, let's go ahead and turn off our Wi-Fi and give our YouTube a refresh. This is just a proof step and you can skip this step as well. Now currently I'm offline, and if I give this video play, you can see that the video is in optimum quality and optimum speed, even though I'm offline. So you can enjoy your downloaded video offline on your YouTube following these steps. Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.